Welcome to Chapter 4. This chapter talks about managers as decision makers. As individuals, we make dozens, if not hundreds, of decisions every day. Sometimes we don't even think about it. What are we going to wear to work today? How are we going to drive to school? What are we going to eat for breakfast? And as managers, we make lots of decisions every day also. So Chapter 4 talks about how we go about this process of making decisions. And there's actually a 5-step process that we go through. Step 1, we have to identify and really define the exact problem. Step 2, we generate and evaluate different courses of action. Step 3 is where we would decide on one preferred course of action. Step 4, we would implement the decision. And step 5, we would evaluate the results. And again, on page 70 of chapter 4, this is where they identify the steps. So the first step, again, is where you would identify and define the problem. This is where you would really hone in on, really what the problem is. Step 2, we would gather facts and information, and we would make that decision on generating and evaluating those solutions. Step 3 is where we would choose one of our alternative solutions and involve the right people in the decision. Then we would implement the action. And step 5, we would evaluate those results. And so this is the big takeaway from chapter 4, is really understanding those 5 steps of the decision-making process. And if you had to apply those steps to a scenario, how you would do that.